Hi, Steve here. Thank you for joining me on the Panoramic Travels channel. This video covers our 6th major RV trip since we picked up our Panoramic RV in September 2022. It's part 16 of a 20-part series. Today we're visiting the Planet Word Museum in the Carnegie Library Apple Store. Planet Word is a very unique private museum filled with clever activities like an interactive video, a hidden doorway, and books that can come to life.
It took us years of evolution to be able to say all these words. It's likely early humans couldn't even say "ee" or "ooh," like bamboozle.
Come on, bamboozle ain't a word. No, ain't a word. Sure is.
English has thousands of words. We don't use that much. But down here are the words we use all the time. Hey, I'm not doing all the talking here. See these mics? They're for you. Anytime you see this icon, it's your turn to talk. It's okay if you talk at the same time. I'm listening. Let's start with something easy. Can you guess the 10 most common words in English? Step right up and say them into the mics. I'll give you a hint. They're right in front of you.
Yes.
I.
Yes.
Oh, but that was me. Well done. Nearly a third of all English words come from Latin, and that's how a lot of new words get made too.
And people say Latin is a dead language.
So, 90% of English comes from French, Latin, Greek, or Germanic languages. There's another way we create new words. Say one of these.
Jorts.
Okay, jorts. Jorts is a super classy combination of jeans and shorts. These combo words like spork and smog are called portmanteau words. They're named after a special suitcase with 2 parts. Let's play a game. I'll show you 2 words, and you say the portmanteau word. Here's an easy one. Breakfast and lunch.
Brunch.
Too fast.
Yeah, brunch. How about hungry and angry?
Angry.
Yeah, angry. So, what would you do with your words?
Not all those who wander are lost. All the world's a stage.
And all the men and women merely players.
They go low, we go high.
Ask not what your country can do for you.
It was the best of times.
Immigrants, we get the job done. What happens to a dream deferred?
Just float like a butterfly.
We have a problem.
Sting like a bee. To be or not to be. A word to the wise.
Words,
Words. Words.
words.
Word.
The books really appear to come to life. The book is the only physical object. Everything else is being projected onto the desktop.
In the way things work now, David Macaulay shows us the surprising connections between everyday machines. To see the way a machine works, you can take the covers off and look inside. But to understand what goes on, you need to get to know the principles that govern its actions. The machines in this book are grouped by their principles rather than by their uses.
Before there were physical computers, the computers were people. And there was a group of women, black and white women, who during the 40s worked at NASA and did all the computations. And and there was an all-black group of human computers. What was wrong with the picture that I had as a young girl growing up was that there were these hidden figures. There were people behind the scenes that my history books and movies and television shows and even news reports did not share with me. Dorothy Vaughan, Mary Jackson, Katherine Johnson, and Dr. Christine Darden. They followed their dreams.
Medal winning book Polls tells the story of Stanley Ellis, an unlucky overweight middle schooler who lands in a juvenile detention camp in Texas, where he and other misfit delinquents are sentenced to digging holes in a dried up lake.
What are we supposed to be looking for?
Stay on the edge. You're not looking for anything.
We also stopped in at the Carnegie Library Apple Store because I always like going to Apple stores, but specifically this one because of its beauty, and it was the first time I saw an Apple Vision Pro in person. I'll put links to the other videos in this series in the description. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a like if you did and consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time, thanks for watching.